Regulators, boards, and customers don't just want to know you have a recovery plan. They want proof it actually works when it matters most. In this demo, you'll discover how Commvault Clean Room Recovery empowers your organization to gain a rapid, comprehensive view of your cyber readiness. Build and maintain dynamic recovery plans tailored to your business. Automate and orchestrate complex recovery and forensic workflows. Test and validate your recovery process in secure, isolated clean rooms without disrupting production or incurring unnecessary costs. Support compliance, audit readiness, and cost control with every step. Let's start with the Clean Room Recovery Dashboard, a comprehensive, at-a-glance view of your cyber readiness, providing visibility. Instantly see the status of all protected resources across your environment. Actionable insights. No more sifting through spreadsheets or manual logs. Address vulnerabilities before they become incidents. Compliance support. Exportable reports and audit trails help you demonstrate your preparedness. A robust recovery plan starts with organizing your most critical assets. Commvault makes this easy with assemblies. Creating an assembly is a simple process, providing flexible grouping. Create assemblies based on business units, applications, or recovery tiers. Intuitive. Wizard. The step-by-step assembly. Wizard guides you through the process. Assemblies mean less time spent on manual mapping and more time focused on strategic initiatives. And we've expanded support for the workloads that matter most. Add virtual machines, databases, and even entire Active Directory forests. Select resources manually with powerful filters, or define rules to automatically include new assets as they're provisioned. As your environment evolves, rules can be set to include new resources automatically, helping keep your recovery plan up to date. This flexibility helps eliminate the risk of outdated recovery plans and manual oversights. With your assemblies defined, it's time to automate your testing and recovery. Build runbooks that visually map the steps of your testing and recovery. Create different runbooks for testing, forensics, or application-specific validations. Add threat scan steps to automatically scan for malware or ransomware. Our runbooks mean less manual intervention, reduced risk of human error, and faster, more reliable recoveries. Next, you'll choose where to deploy your clean room. Whether you prefer Azure or AWS, we support both. For now, let's proceed with Azure and get started. We've made it even easier by introducing Express configuration. Simply sign in to your Azure account, grant the necessary permissions, and we'll automatically create the required roles and policies to deploy the clean room. We also support custom configurations for organizations with specific security requirements. Once you have finished following the steps, you can review the summary and create your runbook. This is your playbook. It details your steps, from deploying an on-demand, isolated clean room to recovering your application workloads. And you have complete control. Customize every step to fit your organization's unique needs. Add custom scripts, pause for manual validation, or reorder steps as needed. Review and approve runbooks before execution. Save time by cloning and modifying existing runbooks for new scenarios. This flexibility is critical for organizations with complex, multi-tiered recovery requirements. Testing your recovery plan is as simple as selecting a recovery point and executing your newly created runbook. Our integrated threat detection enables you to identify which snapshots are clean and safe to restore, thanks to built-in threat scanning, providing the confidence needed to restore safely. As the runbook executes, you have the benefit of real-time progress. Monitor every step of the recovery in real time with clear status indicators and logs. Manual checkpoints. Insert manual approval steps where needed, such as after a database restore or before bringing an application online. Isolation by design. Our clean rooms are deployed in isolated, on-demand environments. All your resources have been recovered into a clean room, created on demand with just a few clicks. No impact on production. This entire clean room is truly ephemeral. It's built on demand when you execute the runbook, and it's completely isolated from your production environment. Forensic analysis. Perform deep dive investigations in a safe, isolated environment. Cost control. Automated cleanup process allows you to delete all resources when testing or forensics are complete, so you only pay for what you use. For finance and IT leaders, this means predictable costs and no wasted resources. For security teams, it means safe, repeatable forensic analysis. With Commvault Clean Room Recovery, you gain a real-time, comprehensive view of your cyber readiness, streamlined, automated recovery planning and testing, the ability to conduct secure forensic analysis without the cost or risk of dedicated infrastructure, demonstrable recovery readiness with supporting evidence. Every feature is designed to make your recovery testing efficient and stress-free. Simplicity, speed, cost savings, and above all, resilience. Ready to move from panic to plan? See how Commvault can help your organization test and recover with confidence.